museum. Steam. Say the word. You know what steam is, right? It's the hot water turning into a vapor. This is a word we know in education to prepare you for more and more careers, joys, jobs that uses electricity. It's electricity in a circle. Let me draw a circle and say circuit. A circuit is when electricity is in a circle and it can change to different kinds of energy. Do you hear it buzzing? Yeah. That's because the person touched the metal on the metal. It's a complete circuit. And called the plasmasphere. It's a Tesla coil. It's the kind of electricity called static electricity. Say that. Static electricity is like a lightning bolt, and it wants to go to one place in the world. All electricity wants to go to one place. Guess where it wants to go? To the ground. Scorpions and your fingerprint. And then we have a thin microscope where you can look at specimens that are on a microscope slide. So there's some really cool things. Do you want to see what the mouth of a starfish looks like? 3D printers are some technology in our world that's changing our world. Watch when they touch. They just made a circle. 2,000 years ago, they were problem solved how to start making their buildings. They didn't have glue yet. They didn't have cement. They did it with just the shape.
Yeah. Tony, give a clean bowl. 3, 2, 1, go. Yes. Clean it bowl. Good job. Is that a bangle? Is that a bangle? What to do?
I made it. Felicity, Mommy, can I talk to Felicity?
Yeah, yes. It's printing.
Hold those two caps, and now you got light. Okay, do you want to see the bones in your hand? You do? Okay. So like this, and touch it. Okay. Okay, hold those two tabs, and you want to make light? All right.
Touch it.
Touch this to this. Hold
One
it with
side.
one hand. Like this. There, like, hold it like this. There you go. Yep, there you go. Bam. Good job.
You can touch it with your hand also, Tony.
Do you want to see the bone in your hand? Go like this. It won't hurt you. Can you what? Can you want to do that? You can see your bone. Isn't that cool?
Set. Go.
Tony, only red, all the red. Red, all the red. Meenakshi, all the yellow. Tony, red, all the red. Sigar, red, all the red, Tony, red.
Player one wins.
Okay. You're touching. You say beep beep.
Right here. I think I'm wrong. Thank you for your help. Hey! Oh! He says, Mommy.
Yay! We did it. See, I'm going.
They're smiling better.
Instead of sighing. Okay, ready? One. All right, look this way. Good. All right, Felicity, come out from there. Just walking up.
Tony. Wow, this is Tony.
All the body.
Yeah, this is our mask. See? Yeah, like, yeah. Dreamy Vascaro by Tony Jones. Congrats, Tony. Tony, kai kudu. Congratulations, Tony.
What do you like? Hey, Daddy, back me up. Harder. Now let's go, Mommy. Let's go downstairs. Mommy, let's go.